You know when you just be trying to be productive and like stuff just don't be happening the way it's supposed to happen? You just gotta let it burn. That's where I'm at. I'm trying to adjust and reset. So yeah. So I have these matcha shots. This might help with some energy. It's supposed to boost your energy, help you relax, and keep you focused. That would be wonderful. If it could do all of those things, how do you boost energy and relax at the same time? Like,
Fact.
Tastes good. I love that it says shake, breathe, and drink.
It's good.
Yeah. We'll see what it gives. What did you say, babe? So let me put Malcolm's pizza in the oven, even though he's talking about he don't want pizza. He's gonna have this margarita pizza from Trader Joe's. Never had this before. We have been making our pizza, and that's really fun, like from scratch. But it's not today. I'm gonna make a little fried rice, Trader Joe's little something, finesse it. And oh, I found this seafood blend from Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna throw this seafood blend. It's a blend of shrimp, calamari rings, and bay scallops. And it was like $8 or $9. So we're gonna see what that gives, because I've been on Trader Joe's street team and it's been hitting. Basically, just season this and add this vegetable fried rice from Trader Joe's, a little soy sauce, a little ginger, a little onion, an egg, some sesame oil.
Wandering all day, tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I mean, my mind is right. All these thoughts are troubling me. Trying to give up my babe, trying to be on my lane. My mind, running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, that is trying to take me out. Tell you what I need. That you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix.
We are upstairs in my bathroom, about to hop in the shower, do some body care, some skin care. I'm gonna show you how I DIY my lashes. Falscara, I think it's called Falscara. I use that with a combination of like individual lash glue by Ardell. It lasts me for like a week. Exfoliate with this exfoliant, and then I cleanse with this cleanser. I'm gonna do a little Bikini cream. Never had a wax, not interested in having a wax. What I do works for me. You do you. I get in there, if you know what I'm saying, and then I just clean up with the razor. I use this exfoliant glove to just exfoliate. Use a body wash. It's this Vagisil pH balance cleanser, this moisturizer in the shower, and then an oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that situation. I'm gonna just play some music, light some candles, have a nice mindful shower. I might put on some like lo-fi or some jazz music just to like bring it down. Y'all, shower was bomb, yo. I feel so good. Even my pimple, it like dried up that quick. Highly recommend a mindful shower, mamas. If the only time you have is shower, make it nice. Put on some music, light some candles, smell the soap, get you a nice body wash, exfoliate your skin. Really just enjoy your time alone. Try not to like allow your thoughts to like race and stuff. Just enjoy it. I really enjoyed it. I am so smooth. Look at my skin. I didn't even put any extra moisturizer, just that shower Jergens and that oil on top, and that's it. Now I'm about to tone my skin. I use this Kiehls. This stuff is expensive though. I'm not even gonna front. But I ran out of my other toner that I used to use, which I still like, and I just wanted to try something new. I see my armpits is looking white waxy without the wax. People have asked me like, how do I get my armpits to be like not dark underneath? And I think it's from exfoliating. I use that exfoliating glove after I shave, and I think that's what it is. This is what I've been using on my skin. It's from the dermatologist, helping get rid of like some of the hyperpigmentation around my mouth and on my forehead. I'm not gonna put oils or eye cream or moisturizer because I'm about to do my lashes. And I want them to have a nice base so that they don't, yeah, we don't want any moisture on our brows because I'm gonna use henna and we want that henna to tint our skin. Okay, we all know influencers get on here, or YouTubers, whatever, and spray like luxury fragrances before they go to bed, which is love. I'm not mad at it, but I don't do that. I save that for when I got somewhere to go. And this is just, it's such a like sweet and calm smelling scent. The bottle is kind of like girly, like little girlish, but it smells like peppermint and I don't know, it just smells good. I'm not using my, my good stuff for bed. It's, just a little extra touch for my self-love, self-care, self-maintenance routine.
style.
Take this again and I'm gonna seal it, and I'm trying to just get the tip. I'm not gonna bring this all the way through. So it's giving a little wispiness. It's not like blunt straight across, just this middle one, but
Style. now for these brows, I'm gonna take a cotton ball, cold water. That's that. They are exactly how I want them. Obviously, they're not perfect and they're not gonna last as long as they would if I would have went to my girl, but it's gonna work. It's gonna work for now. Now let's pop on some press-ons and then our self-care. That's it. Let's go.
so that is it for my self-care, self-love, DIY maintenance video. Brow tint, lashes, body care, nails, and I'm ready for the week. Blessings to y'all. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and show me some love in the comment section. Let me know what other DIYs you want to see. So everything that I used in this video will be in the description box below. This hair, this install, this is actually a quick weave, so if you want to see how I DIY this, go back and watch that video. I'm all about the DIYs and saving our coins and looking and feeling good, feeling our best inside and out. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.